any sanction granted by the federal government for investment in an industrial undertaking shall be subject to the following conditions to such other conditions as the federal government may specify, namely when the foreign private investment is by a person who, being a citizen of Pakistan, is also the citizen of any other country, he shall deposit the entire amount of repatriable foreign investment in a foreign exchange account in Pakistan for its subsequent use for the purchase of machinery and other fixed assets of the undertaking. First up, where the federal government considers it necessary in the public interest to take over the management of an industrial undertaking having foreign private investment, or to acquire the ownership of the shares of citizens of Pakistan in the capital of such industrial undertaking. Any agreement approved by the federal government relating to such undertakings entered into between a foreign investor or creditor and any person in Pakistan shall not be affected by such taking over or acquisition. First up, foreign capital or foreign private investment in an industrial undertaking shall not be acquired except under due process of law, which provides for adequate compensation, therefore to be settled in the currency of the country of origin of the capital or investment, and specifies the principles on and the manner in which compensation is to be determined and given. First up, foreign nationals employed with the approval of the federal government in any industrial undertaking having foreign private investment may make remittances for the maintenance of their dependents in accordance with the rules, regulations, or orders issued by the federal government or the State Bank of Pakistan. First up, the federal government may allow such concessions to industrial undertakings having foreign private investment as may be admissible under any law for the time being in force. First up, foreign private investment shall not be subject to other or more burdensome taxes on income than those applicable to investment made in similar circumstances by the citizens of Pakistan. First up, foreign private investment shall be allowed all the tax concessions which may be admissible on the basis of any agreement for avoidance of double taxation which the government of Pakistan